morning we're going to talk about the various things that we see concerning nature. The first picture you see is a small creek, Kahahawut, Kahahawut, Kahahawut. Another factor concerning a small creek pronunciation in Arapaho, Kawut, Kawut, Kawut. This next picture is the ocean, and we call it in Arapaho Hatach, Hatach, Hatach. In this picture, we see a lake. Nitch, nitch, nitch. And also you see in the picture, in the middle of the lake, a boat. Theo, Theo, Theo. The next picture you see a waterfall. And in Arapaho we call the waterfall Najat Janissa, Najat Janissa, Najat Janissa, or simply Janissa, Janissa, Janissa. This next picture will give us a deer in the middle of the picture. Bihi, bihi, bihi. There is a river in the back of the deer. Nietzsche, Nietzsche, Nietzsche. And the deer is taking water or drinking water from a creek, Kahahawut, Kahahawut, Kahahawut. And again, an explanation here, a simpler, shorter word, Kawut, 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 Kawut. Now in this same picture, you see a rock in the middle of the picture. Hotnaka, Hotnaka, Hotnaka. In previous pictures you have seen rocks or a rock. You were told about them. Also in this picture you see rocks. Hotnaka, no. Hotnaka, no. Hotnaka, no. The next picture you see ice. Whoa. 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 This next picture you will see snow. He he, in the same picture also comes out the frost all over. Nanaka atta. Nanaka atta. Nanaka atta. This is a storm, a thunderstorm. Wanawaku saw. Wanawaku saw. Wanawaku saw. Lightning. Jahakud. Lightning. Jahakud. Lightning. Jahakud. Now after a storm, you will generally see fog in the early morning. Ba'anna. Fog. Ba'anna. 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 And also another term to express the fog, Ba'noni. It is foggy. Ba'noni. It is foggy. Ba'noni. It is foggy. Ba'noni. It rains. Nasati. 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 It is raining. Anasati. 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 Rainwater. Hasanach. 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 And when the sun and the rain are in the same area, creates a rainbow. Nayat. Nayat. Rainbow. Nayat. Rainbow. Nayat.